A V12 BMW 760 that should have been scrapped, with hundreds of scratches all over the car. And the door handles are so bad they fall off with a turn. When you open the car door, the smell inside is like my colleague's feet, with mold everywhere, and at least 2 pounds of dust inside the car.
The engine doesn't seem like a V12, more like a plus.
Give me a chance. Now I want to be a good person.
If you want to be a good person, I can't help you. If you want to make a good car, I'll definitely help out with 3, 5, or 8 rounds. Let the music play.
The entire interior and exterior of the car have been dismantled, and this ornament has become a piece of art.
Chenjing hasn't had enough of dismantling cars. Next Chenjing is coming to disassemble the engine.
Whistler is truly impressive. I think every man would stop for him.
Clothes make the man, just as a saddle makes the horse. Give Manshi a good meal and a bath.
Simple and rough, straight into the Dantian. Open it. Remove all the wiring harnesses and ensure their protection.
Surely some cuties will ask, will there be 2 more screws when you put it back, or how should I say this, or just what?
The engine is completely disassembled, with parts and screws visualized. Every screw and part is managed militarily, like a military training formation. This episode is fully dismantled and decompressed. The next episode will be even more exciting, covering transmission handling, reverse spraying techniques, and how to transform it from this to that, packed with valuable content. Stay tuned. In the previous episode, we completely dismantled this soon-to-be scrapped BMW 760. The V12 beast-like engine was also disassembled by us like a military drill. In this episode, we will transform the engine from this to this, and overhaul and replace the transmission. This classic V12 BMW can still roar on the road. Without further ado, let's start the main feature. Ultrasonic cleaning of the engine, restored to factory condition. Parts display complete. Cue the music.
Begin reassembly.
Reassemble step by step, don't worry. Not a single screw will be missing or extra.
Start the engine and transmission installation. I asked the master, can it start in one go? The master said if it doesn't, 20 years of work would be in vain. Everyone quiet, listen to the defender recovering from a serious illness. Feeling comfortable. On the other side, a new look. The entire car is sanded, fully covered and protected with a complete set of BASF Parrot Paint Hedgehog.
Three times clear, 7 times 4 clear, the texture immediately comes up. Horizontal lines dry, Phoenix reborn.
Begin reassembly, reinstalling all repaired internal and external components in place.
The entire car is polished, allowing the paint surface to achieve a qualitative transformation. At this point, this BMW 760, from being scrapped to shining again, has become art.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.